Hello, friends. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you. Thanks for your support on my channel. Now, let's get into this lesson. What I'll be doing are two pillowcases. Now, I am doing a standard pillowcase, and I'm doing that because I had leftover fabric from the duvet cover that I made. I'll link it for you guys, so if you haven't seen it, you can check it out. I have already squared up my fabric, and I should draw your attention here to the whiteboard before, because as I said, I'm working with the pieces of fabrics that were left over. And so one piece of fabric, which is a pattern piece, is 17.5 inches wide. And the other piece, which is the solid white fabric, is 26 inches wide. Now our standard queen pillowcase is finished width 20 inches, finished length 30 inches. Now I'm doing a queen because I did a queen duvet cover, right? And I'm doing this so I can give it to my client so she can put it along with her duvet cover. And so we're just gonna go with the flow, and you're gonna see what happens in the end. Okay, so let's get started. I have already squared up the two pieces of fabric, and I have stitched them together by simple seams down the sides. Now we will proceed from here. So what I'm doing here is pressing along both sides. I'm making sure I have 2 inches white fabric on this side and 2 inches white fabric on this side. Essentially, I made a tube. So now I have to go and cut the two pillowcases from that tube. And what I need to know is, how long do I cut each pillowcase in order for it to be 30 inches when we're done stitching? Okay, so I will have 30 inches plus the double hem. Now you can do up to 3 inches double hem on your pillowcase depending on the size of the pillowcase. Here I will do a 2-inch hem, and it's a 2-inch double hem, so it will be times 2, so I have to add 4 inches to that 30 inches. So that's 34 inches. I'll also add an inch for the seam on the other end. So that's going to be 35 inches. So I'll have to cut two pieces of 35 inches long from my tube that I have on the table. Now there's a little piece of tube left over. I could always use this to stitch another pillow cover, just an accent pillow. So I'll stitch the one end. I'm just putting a reverse stitch on the end of the pillow cover that I cut so it doesn't come apart. I am doing a 2-inch double hem. Therefore, I'll fold back 4 inches. Now, I'll just fold the edge back to the line that I just pressed into the fabric, and then fold again and stitch along the edge. that's it for this lesson, friends. I truly hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed sharing with you. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. If you like it, give me some thumbs up, share with your families and friends. Until next time, sending you lots of love and appreciation. I'll see you soon.